If you want your twist out to look like this, then listen, watch this video. Take some notes. Be very gentle. As you can see, it looks all nice and voluptuous and y'all. Oh, I'm balling. Hey YouTube. Hold on, let me fix my camera. Hey YouTube. But I know y'all see the hair. Hold on. Yes, the hair is here. And today we're gonna start with taking out our hair, okay? 5 days ago is when I did this retwist. It's already starting to look a little like, you know, the retwist for mini twists only lasts so long. I'm not gonna lie. Like, for them to still be looking like juicy and stuff like this, I probably got maybe 2 more days, okay? After this, it's just about to go back to looking real frizzy. I'll keep my mini twist in for months. I don't even be caring, like, so it's like I'll never get the chance to get a nice twist out, because by the end of it, it's all frizzy and it's ready to get taken down. Like, the twist out be looking like, okay girl, you could have did that 10 days ago. The twist still looks semi-decent, so I'm like, all right, I'm about to just take it out so you guys could see. First things first, when I'm doing my twist out, have a hair tie nearby. Obviously that's like duh, but like, have a hair tie nearby because you don't want it to get all mixed up. I like to spray my hair before I do my twist out, so I know that the moisture is already in there and I don't have to mess up like my curl pattern. I don't want to take any chances. I just spray before, let it chill a little bit. You grab some oil, okay? That's the next thing. So hair tie, spray your hair, oil. All right, once you have all that stuff, you're ready to begin, really. So let's get to it. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna section off the back half. My hair flakes is flying in my eye, y'all. ASMR. Like that much. Like that. Like, wait, one more drop. That much. Rub it. I like to do it like that. Don't overdo it because oil can make your scalp really dry as well. See? Once you see your hands are oily, you're good. And then you're just gonna start unraveling, okay? And when we grab the first twist, grab it by the end. See, this one was already untwisting. And you're just gonna untwist it like this. Y'all see what I'm doing? I just pull the oil through both sides of it. I only like to spray my scalp, okay? Because then when you do your twist out like this, right? It's not wet. It's not gonna cause shrinkage. You see what I'm saying? Like, this isn't, putting oil in your hair is not going to cause shrinkage. But if you put this in your mini twist before you take them out, it's going to be wet, so it might start shrinking up on you. So that's why I like to do mine dry. Dry mini twist takedown. You guys see it, and we're just going to keep on going. What I like to do is I go like this, right? Grab it, and then I put my thumb. Don't mind my nails, they're old. Even if you don't have nails. So I like to put my thumb and my pointer finger like this, right? And after I do that, I try to feel for the break in between the hair. Like, you see? This is the break in my eyes. Just so you don't, like, rip your hair apart. It finds the natural, you feel me? The natural break in your hair when you were twisting it. So, go like this. And then I put my thumb through like that. And I'm like, oh, okay, that's where I can start pulling my hair apart at. You see? And it just comes right off. Like, I could probably even just pull it like this and it'll just start unraveling. I don't like separating too much because I feel like it kills your curls. Just make sure, like how I just did the thing with my thumb, find where your hair naturally separates, okay? Do not force no curls, okay? That's crazy. What I'm gonna do, you see, right here, it already looks like it's separating. I don't know if y'all can see it. It already looks like it's separating right here. So I'm just gonna follow it and pull it apart. And you see, it doesn't do any like damage or anything. You see, I have a little straggly right here, but it could be worse. Like, you could just go like that and the straggly will be gone. I'm about to untwist the rest of my hair and I'm gonna time lapse it for you guys. And if I feel like I need to break anything down, I'll stop and break it down for you. But yes, naturally separate your hair. Do not pull your mini twist apart to get a twist out. That's like, it's scary for real. Drop a comment, y'all. Let me know if y'all did a twist out before, if you did mini twist before. This is my go-to style. I love mini twists. This is another one where you could probably separate it. You see, that's why I say, like, if it looks like this, and you see how it's like divided right here, like it goes down into right here, you can separate that. You can separate that. Let's get into it. All right, I'll be back. All right, y'all, I just wanted to say something real quick, okay? Be gentle, y'all. Be very gentle with your hair. Every single strand counts. And if you're like ripping your hair apart and you just don't care about how you're, you know, handling it, it's not going to be good for your hair health, okay? So just be very careful. I try to be very careful when I'm taking my stuff apart. Like I said earlier, find where the break is. And then be very light-handed. Like, you see how that just came apart like that? It was effortless. And then, you know, you could just sometimes do stuff like this. And boom. Y'all be gentle. Be real gentle. That's all I had to say. Back to the time lapse. Listen, I just did something that I'm like, okay, y'all don't need to do that. All right, so let me explain. So if y'all just seen, I just grabbed this twist and I just started pulling it like this, right? In this case, it went through, right? Like it all came apart. See, I lost some hair. But in any other case, y'all, don't pull your hair. See how the twist stops right here? It's like this long. Don't pull it from up here. Like, don't try to separate it from up here. Separate it down where it's already untwisting at. When you do that, when you pull it, you create a knot in your hair. Like, it's happened to me multiple times while I was doing this. But you create a knot in your hair, and you're gonna have to break that knot to untwist your hair. Like I said earlier, every strand counts. You don't want to be breaking knots in your hair. You don't want to be breaking hair off. You don't want to be doing none of that. Update, I think I'm almost done. I think I am done. I feel like I have more twists in here than this. I think that's all of them, y'all. The other thing is, I be finding twists for mad long after I untwist my hair. Like, I'll probably find another twist in here somewhere later while I'm just messing with my hair. This is it for right now, y'all. Look, I got a bang now. We're cute. This is what I'm saying. Like, I'll just find them and I'll be like, wait, that's not supposed to be in there. When you're doing your twist down or your twist out, I should say, when you're doing your twist out, y'all, be careful. Like, just be very careful because you never know, y'all. Like I said, I just found a twist somewhere in here. It's nothing wrong with leaving twist in, but, you know, just be careful. Be mindful. That's the end result. Look, hold on. Pop it. We pop it. We are celebrating type 4 hair all 2025 and the rest of the lifetime. Mwah. Alright, y'all, as I'm still looking for some twists, I don't think I'm gonna find any. I'm just gonna go ahead and close this video out because we did what we had to do and we came and we conquered and we leaving. Like, what? I said all my tips throughout the video. Really start with have a hair tie on hand. Put your products in before you start undoing your mini twists so they don't shrink up. I spray directly to my roots. I spray directly to my roots if I have a style like this because Like, I don't want to mess up the curls. If you have type 4 hair around there, you know that you got to stay on point because anything can mess your curls up. This is just my theory. This is how I do mine. This is how I get my hair like this. This is how I do it, y'all. This is how I do it, type 4 girls. And listen, your hair is beautiful. It don't matter the length, none of that. Like, look, I could pull my hair right now. Ready? I'm gonna pull it. Yeah, as you see, it's down here, right? That don't show when I have my hair like this, but you know that your hair is long. Or even if it's not, it doesn't matter because y'all, your hair is beautiful. Look at these. Look at my curls. Oh, if you haven't done a twist out, you're missing out. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, okay? Because the twist out is so valid. Like, we love a good twist out. I'm not sure what type of hair I have. I think I have like 4, like B, 4C kind of hair, because my hair is still kinky, as you can see. We need to appreciate our hair more, and this video is going to be a long line of appreciation for type 4 hair because it's just so beautiful. Hold on, let me turn around again. Ain't nobody could say nothing. If you got type 4 hair, or if you just ready to do a little twist out, you ready to do twist, give it a try, y'all. This is how I'd get my twist out to look like this. You could also do a little pick to the hair, but I'm just not gonna do that right now. I don't even know where the pick is at. After you finish your twist out, just feel me, slide a pick under your scalp like this and just like push it up like that, right? You could hold your hair so it goes like that, but don't like put the pick all the way through your hair. That's crazy. You're gonna lose your curls. Just do it in the root like this and push it up, okay? So that's how I would get my hair to be more voluminous, okay? I think that's a word, right? Voluminous? Whatever. That is the twist out video from yours truly. Yours truly. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you guys for watching, and like, comment, subscribe, share for more natural hair stuff. Listen, a lot of my natural hair videos are on my shorts. I haven't been to my shorts yet. It's videos like this, but they're just short, okay? So go watch that. I just wanted to make a long one because like I feel like this is very important. Love your hair and embrace it, and that's what I'm here to show you guys, that you can do that. And that's all I have for today. Check my shorts out, stay updated, stay tuned, hit the notification bell, hit the subscribe button. That's all I have for this video, y'all. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and make sure that your hair is healthy as it can be, babes, because that's the only thing we're doing this year is straight healthy hair. Only healthy hair, okay? So let me give you guys one more show. Beautiful, right? Oh my gosh, I love it, y'all. It's so nice. And it takes like 2 seconds. All right, y'all, we're out of here.